The Barrett M82, often referred to as the Light 50, due to its caliber size, is hailed as the ultimate sniper rifle in modern warfare. It's a weapon that has transformed the battlefield and significantly contributed to military success across numerous conflict zones. The Barrett M82 is a recoil-operated, semi-automatic anti-materiel rifle that was devised by Ronnie Barrett in 1982. This unique creation brought a significant shift in military arsenal by introducing an entirely new class of weapons. An advanced design for its time, the M82 offered superior performance and firepower compared to traditional rifles. Known for its power and accuracy over long distances, it can precisely hit targets up to 1.8 kilometers away. This remarkable range is one of many features that set it apart from other rifles. The .50 caliber rounds are not only astonishingly precise but also pack an unforgettable punch capable of disabling light armored vehicles or penetrating brick walls with ease. Moreover, it's designed with practicality in mind, weighing approximately 30 pounds with relatively simple disassembly procedures which make field maintenance achievable under extreme conditions. Its usability is enhanced further thanks to an effective muzzle brake which reduces recoil significantly, almost down by half. An interesting fact about this weapon system is that apart from being a groundbreaking invention for militaristic purposes, it also found fame in popular culture due to their appearance in several video game series like Call of Duty or Battlefield, where players got introduced to this beastly firepower, reinforcing its image as an iconic weapon around the globe. In essence, what truly defines the Barrett M82 as the ultimate sniper rifle isn't just its raw power or pinpoint accuracy. It's how these characteristics are harmoniously balanced with practicality and reliability under extreme conditions on modern battlefields worldwide.